how's everybody doing today? It's Craig here again. What you're looking at is this WEN generator. It's been about a month since I've messed with it. Finally got a new carburetor in for it just 2 days ago. The old carburetor, the original one that come off of it, this right here, I had that thing apart 3 different times trying to clean it. The last time I had to part, made sure it was all clean, put it back on. It ran decent, but it didn't run right. It would power up, it would run good at high speed as long as it wasn't loaded up. As soon as you loaded it up, it just acted like it was running real lean. It wanted to search and hunt and carry on. So I just decided, I've already wasted enough time with this particular carburetor here. So I opted to buy another one. So that's where we're at right now. I've already got the other carburetor on. I got my little gas tank hanging off to the side. I've actually already ran it. It runs good, but I'm going to show it on video. I've got 2 500 watt quartz lights plus a 250 watts quartz light that you can actually see attached to the frame. I got my kilowatt meter attached, so I'm going to start it and I'm going to turn each one on, and I'm going to show you the readings that I get on the kilowatt, and then we'll be done with it, and I'll put the gas tank back on, deliver it back to the owner. So here we go. All the lights right now should be shut off. I'm pretty sure I got them all shut off. Turn it on, turn the choke on. There it is. No lights are on at this point. Basically 119 volts, running about 63 hertz. So I'm going to turn each light on individually. I'll start with the first 500 watt quartz. There's the first 500 watt. Brought it down to about 62.2 hertz, 118.5 volts, pulling 433 watts off of one light at 3.65 amps, 62.5, right around there on the hertz. So we'll put the second 500 watt quartz light on. There's 500 watt number 2. About 61.9, 61.8, right in that area on the hertz. Still 118 volts. Now we're pulling just shy of 900 watts at 7.6 amps. So now I pick on the 250 watt quartz light. So we're 61.67, 61.6, 61.7 on the hertz. 118, right at 118 volts. We're pulling 1,015 watts, right around there. It's kind of fluctuating a little. At 8.6 amps. This thing's running 100% better under load than what it was on that old carburetor. this, it's ready to go back. Okay, now this is a 4050 peak watt, and I believe if I remember reading the instructions, or not the instructions, but the specs on it, I'm thinking it's somewhere right around 3200 continuous, 3300 continuous, right in that range. So we was loaded up about half of what it's actually capable of producing. And as you can tell, it wasn't hardly pulling it down at all. So like I said, I'll put the gas tank back on this thing, get everything hooked up, do an oil change, and it's going back to the owner. Okay, hope everybody enjoyed this follow-up. Catch you in the next one.